Okay, just wanted to show you guys something that I made yesterday. It's actually a fire piston disguised as a Mag-lite. Anyway, the way it works is just take the top off, and here's the piston. I was using it all day yesterday, but here's the piston. It's just a hardwood dowel with an O-ring around it. You get a piece of char cloth and you stuff a little bit in the little hole here. It's a little messy, but it's pretty cool the way this thing works. Anyway, there's a little hole that's drilled into the end of the dowel here, and you just stuff it full of char cloth. And then I get a little bit of lube. You can use Vaseline, or in this case I'm using mink oil, and I just like to lube up the O-ring here so that it slides back and forth freely within the cylinder, and it also creates a little bit better seal inside the cylinder as well. So what you do, you just insert the piston into the cylinder. It's a really tight fit, and you can see that it's airtight in there. And so basically what you do, flip it over, and you've got fire. It's easy enough to transfer the coal to another piece of char cloth, but pretty much while it once it's lit, it'll stay lit, and you can dig it out with a piece of with a little pick or something, and transfer the coal onto another piece of char cloth, and there you have some fire. After you're done, put the piston back. You put it upside down so that the O-ring's out on top, and close it back up again. And what I did with the end, I took the bulb out of it, and I inserted some more spare char cloth here so that you can have some when you go out in the woods and you need to make a fire. So there you go. It fits neatly within the top of the Mag-lite, and there you go. I don't think that this is waterproof, but it is a nice convenient way to carry a fire piston. I was looking at this. I haven't used this thing in such a while, but now I got to go out and buy myself a flashlight. Anyway, so there you go, fire piston made from a Mag-lite.